Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right yarn and needles so the mesh opens, not collapses. Cast on an even multiple of the stitch, repeat, and add a selve edge. Slip the first stitch for a neat edge. Work 1 to 2 stabilizing rows in garter or stockinette so your fabric has structure. Once done, position your work with the right side up, count your stitches, and mark the repeat with a removable marker so you don't lose place as you start the mesh. You now establish the mesh rhythm. Knit the first stitch, yarn over, then work the decrease, typically knit 2 together, across the row. Keep your yarn overs deliberately loose to form even holes. If they're too tight, the mesh won't show. Make sure to work decreases into the proper stitch so the stitch count stays constant. Once you find the pace, use markers every repeat and double-check after a few repeats so your holes align. And the fabric you finish by binding off loosely, or switch to a needle one size larger to preserve the mesh's spread. Once off the needles, wet block or steam and pin the piece to open the lace evenly and set your gauge. Make sure edges are even and selvage stitches aren't pulled tight. Adjust before fully drying. If holes or decreases misalign, insert a lifeline before fixing, or pick up the missed yarn over with a small crochet hook and rework the row to restore pattern integrity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.